Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into some fascinating facts about our closest celestial neighbor, the Moon. It's been the subject of countless myths, legends, and scientific inquiries. The Moon is far more dynamic and intriguing than it might appear at first glance. The universe is a dynamic, ever-evolving place, and the Moon, our constant companion, has its own share of secrets. Over the next few minutes, we'll peel back the layers of the Moon's mysteries and uncover some truly mind-blowing facts. So, buckle up, space cadets, and get ready for a cosmic adventure. You might think of the Moon as being in a steady, unchanging orbit around Earth. But here's the thing, folks. Nothing in space is ever truly static. The Moon is actually drifting away from us, slowly but surely, at a rate of about 3.8 centimeters per year. That's about the same rate your fingernails grow. Now, 3.8 centimeters might not sound like much, but over millions and billions of years, this tiny drift adds up. This gradual separation is due to the complex gravitational dance between the Earth and the Moon. As the Moon moves further away, its gravitational pull on Earth weakens, ever so slightly. This will have subtle effects on our planet's rotation and our precious tides. Here on Earth, we're all too familiar with the ground shaking beneath our feet. But did you know that the Moon has earthquakes too? Well, not quite earthquakes, but moonquakes. These lunar tremors, while not as powerful or as frequent as their earthly counterparts, are a fascinating phenomenon. Scientists believe they're caused by a combination of factors, including the gravitational pull of the Earth, the cooling and contraction of the Moon's interior, and even meteorite impacts. Unlike earthquakes, which tend to be concentrated along fault lines, moonquakes can occur pretty much anywhere on the lunar surface. They also tend to last much longer, sometimes for hours on end. Chapter 3. The Silent World. No atmosphere on the Moon. Here on Earth, we take our atmosphere for granted. It's this invisible shield that protects us from harmful radiation, regulates our temperature, and allows sound to travel. But the Moon, well, the Moon doesn't have that luxury. It's a completely airless, exposed world. For starters, there's no air to breathe on the Moon, which makes it a tad difficult for us humans to hang out there without some serious life support. The absence of an atmosphere also means extreme temperatures. We're talking about a difference of hundreds of degrees. Chapter 4. The Big Splat, How the Moon Was Born. Have you ever looked up at the Moon and wondered where it came from? Well, scientists have a pretty good idea, and it's a story that involves a cataclysmic collision of epic proportions. Picture this. Billions of years ago, when the solar system was still in its chaotic infancy, a Mars-sized object slammed into the young Earth with incredible force. This impact was so powerful that it ejected a massive amount of debris into space, forming a ring of molten rock and dust around our planet. Over time, this debris, bound together by gravity, coalesced to form the Moon we know and love today. Chapter 5. The Moon's Tidal Grip. We've all experienced the ebb and flow of the tides, those rhythmic rises and falls of the ocean's water, but have you ever stopped to consider what drives these powerful movements? Well, it's not just the ocean being restless, it's the Moon. The Moon's gravitational pull is the primary driver of Earth's tides. It's like an invisible hand tugging at the oceans, causing them to bulge out on the side closest to the Moon and the side farthest from the Moon. These bulges are what we experience as high tides. So you see, the Moon's influence on our planet is far more profound than just lighting up our night sky. Outro, keep looking up. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning about the Moon, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing space facts. The universe is full of wonder and mystery, and we're just getting started exploring it. Remember, every time you look up at the Moon, you're not just seeing a celestial object, you're witnessing the result of billions of years of cosmic evolution. So keep asking questions, keep exploring, and most importantly, keep looking up. See you next time.